Greetings, my friend. James Jordan, also known as Best Networker Alive, also known as Professor Profit, also known as just James. I'm coming to you with this quick video today because I want to talk about something that I feel is super important for you if you're looking to succeed online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, network marketing, coaching, consulting. Maybe you want to put together your own course, right? I just named 5 different ways that you can go out and make money online, right? Plus, there's plenty more. But what's super important, super key, and why I'm shooting this video is because it's something that I tend to get away from myself at times, especially when things are moving and grooving and I'm really dialed in. I have commissions coming in through different income streams, and I think, I figured it all out and I don't need to do what I'm going to talk about in this video, and that's personal development. Now, when I first got started online, right, I was ignorance on fire, didn't know anything, didn't know any better. So I literally was doing the things that I was told to do by people that were in positions that I wanted to be in. So one of the things that I started doing was reading daily, reading some type of personal development book or listening to some type of audio, whether that was reading the Bible or reading Think and Grow Rich or reading Rich Dad Poor Dad or reading Psycho Cybernetics. Um, or reading the Compound Effect, right? Just to name a few books, just out of the top of my mind, right, that I can think about that have helped me have tremendous breakthroughs in my personal life and in my business. Power versus Force, another one. I believe the author of Power versus Force is David Hawkins, right? But personal development is super key, right? So one of the phrases that I heard a very long time ago, oh, probably over a decade ago, I don't remember exactly who put together the quote, is you'll never outperform your self-image. And I think it was Tony Robbins. Now I'm actually speaking it out loud, right? I heard this from Tony Robbins one day, and it totally shifted my thought process, whether it has to do with personal fitness, or your spirituality, or your income. You're never going to outproduce your self image, right? You can have goals, but you'll always hit your standards, right? So the more that you raise your standards, the more that you raise your personal self image, how you view yourself, the faster you're going to be able to go out and grow and develop yourself. So listen, my friend, I just wanted to come to you quick because I can go on a tangent about personal development, all the different breakthroughs I've had, um, all the different books that I've read. But I wanted to come to you today in this short video and be as short and concise as possible to just let you know it is important that as you start to learn this stuff, you're looking to make money online, you're looking to make money in a business, you're looking to grow yourself as an individual, you're learning to market yourself and put yourself out there. It's important to work on what's going on up here, because the more that you work on here, the easier this stuff is, the easier the keyboard stuff is, the easier it is to get in front of the camera and express yourself and demonstrate your value and knowledge to people. Because there were once upon a time where I would be reading from a script, or it'd take me hours upon hours to turn on the camera and hit record, and then I probably would record like 5 or 20 videos before I actually post one, right? And it's important that as you go through this journey, you continue to get back to the basics of reading daily, listening to audios, personal development audios, listening to people that are in your arena, so to speak. If you're looking to become a better marketer, start listening to marketers. If you're looking to become a better speaker, start listening to more speakers, right? Reading personal development books. Maybe audio is better for you. Sometimes I like to listen to audiobooks. A lot of the time I like to read. I like to hold it in my hand. I like to hear the words in my own voice as I'm reading, right? That's super powerful for your brain as well, and to impress it upon your unconscious, subconscious mind, right? Now, from doing this work myself, all this different stuff that I've learned over time is just being downloaded into you. And that's why it's important to sow into yourself, because the more that you sow into yourself, the more you are going to reap, right? So in this time of sowing in your life, in your business, understand that the more that you sow, the more you're going to be able to reap from the harvest later on. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know I went on a lot longer than I wanted to in this video, but I just wanted to emphasize to you that you are special, you are unique. You are beautiful. You are amazing. You are all powerful, right? And God has put you on this earth for a reason. You have a purpose. That's why you're still here. So figure that out. And one of the easiest, simplest ways to be able to do that is to invest in yourself, is to sow into yourself, is to work on your own personal development, whether it's physical, mental, or spiritual, or how about all three, right? Because it's only going to help you develop yourself and become the best version of yourself, right? So in this year, whenever, wherever you are watching this, you can become the best version of yourself up until this point. And you can always strive for another level because there's always a new level of growth, no matter what area of life that you are looking in, right? So take this to heart and apply it in life. And if you received any value from what I just shared in this video, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Like it, share it with your friends, family, anyone that you feel could benefit from this message today. And I'm going to be coming out with more content, very, very quickly. I'm actually going to be shooting another video after this one, but I wanted to emphasize this, how important it is to work on yourself while you're working on your business, because working on your business will be super, super simple. If you're working on your mind, if you're working on your body, if you're working on your spirit, it's easy to do the stuff that's required to be able to go out and create results in life and in business. And that's just talking from personal experience. So with that being said, just want to wish you a very, very phenomenal day or night, wherever, whenever you are watching this. Watch me like you watch Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, all that stuff, and watch your income grow. James Jordan, Best Networker Live, signing off. I will see you in the next video. And also, as a side note, if you haven't already checked out my free 19-page ebook, The Affiliate Starters Kit, go below this video right now. Click the link below. It will take you to theaffiliatestarterskit.com. And in that 19-page PDF, I break down how I've been able to go out and have some awesome, awesome income days online using and leveraging the internet to be able to go out and generate commissions in my own personal affiliate marketing business. So go below this video right now, click the link below, and I will see you on the inside of that. And with that being said, take care, be well, have a phenomenal rest of your day or night. And feel free to, like I said, leave a comment below. I would love to get some feedback from you, and share this with your friends and family or anyone that you feel can benefit from this message, because I know there's something within this video that I'm shooting right now that can benefit someone that you know. So feel free to share it with them, and I will see you in the next one. James Jordan signing off. Peace.